Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. I hope all of you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Dear friends, I am also well. Welcome to our online platform of NAVS Home School. Dear friends, here I am Muhammad Faruk Hossain, Assistant Teacher of National Ideal English Version School. Now I am going to conduct a Bangladesh and Global Studies class for the students of class 6, and our today's topic is from chapter 7. Creative question number 2. So let's try to solve it. Yes friends, to solve any creative question, first of all we need to understand about the STEAM, and then we will try to solve it. Okay, the STEAM is about all of the 4 sons of Mr. Lokman, a middle class man, are employed. That means Mr. Lokman is a middle class man and he has 4 sons, and all the 4 sons are unemployed. The eldest son, Arman, has been sent to Saudi Arabia with borrowed money. There he got a job in date garden. He was inspired by seeing the use of knowledge and technology to grow various fruits including date in the infertile desert land. Thinking about the backwardness of agriculture in his own country, he came back home and decided to make a farm with his 3 brothers. Getting the 3 brothers trained from horticulture center about agricultural production, he and his 3 brothers collectively made a farm and got established as a successful businessman. Dear students, this is all about the STEAM. This is very much easy STEAM, and now we will try to solve the questions. Number A, what is the percentage of the contribution of agriculture in our national economy? The contribution of agriculture in our national economy is more than 20%. Okay? What do you mean by service sector? Explain. Education, healthcare, housing, transport, communication, bank, insurance, public administration, law enforcing agencies is the examples of service sector. Lessons, it would be R. Okay, are the examples of service sector. Okay, it would be R. It plays an important role in the economy of any country. Number C, with which economy did Mr. Arman get involved returning from Saudi Arabia? Listeners, from the STEAM, you can know that Mr. Arman is a Bangladeshi boy and he went to Saudi Arabia, and after returning from there, he along with his 3 brothers got a training from horticulture center, and then they started a farm, and finally they succeed. Okay, so with which economy did Mr. Arman get involved returning from Saudi Arabia? We have to discuss on that topic. After returning from Saudi Arabia, Arman got involved with rural economy. Rural economy is based on the rural people's earnings. Agriculture is the main occupation of the rural people. A great section of rural people earn their livelihood as fishermen, weavers, blacksmiths, potters, carpenters, and grocery. Okay? Once agriculture was utterly neglected despite being the most necessary and important aspect of our economy. But at present, modern tools, fertilizers, insecticides, and hybrid seeds are being used in agriculture. As a result, crop production has increased. Arman, along with his 3 brothers, collectively made a farm of their own. Hence, it can be said that Arman, after returning from Saudi Arabia, got involved with rural economy. Okay? Research now number D. All four sons of Mr. Lokman are now human resources. Evaluate. Students, from this team, you got that after returning from Saudi Arabia, Mr. Arman, that means Mr. Lokman's eldest son, along with his three sons, made a farm, and they also got a training from horticulture center, and finally they are succeed by that farm. So from that notion we have to evaluate whether they are human resources or not. Answer: yes, Mr. Lokman's four sons are human resources. Why human resources? Because finally they got success, okay, by producing crops on their farm. By imparting quality education and vocational education, the unskilled and unemployed people, human resources, could turn into human resources. Okay. For this, professional training is very important. In this team, Mr. Lokman's eldest son Arman has learned to use knowledge and technology to use the horticulture production. He, after returning from Saudi Arabia, got his three brothers trained from horticulture center about agricultural production. Then he, along with his three brothers, collectively made a farm of their own and achieved success. For this reason, it can be said that Mr. Lokman's four sons are human resources. Okay? Dear students, you have homework number 12 from creative question number 2, A and B. This A and B are your homework. Dear students, this question is very much easiest to you. I hope you all got understand it. Practice it more and more. This is the end of the class. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.